Here, the first one says 4 over 12. 4 over 12. So I'm changing that to decimals to compare whether it's equal or greater than the other one. So 4 over 12. Write that again. Yeah, okay. This writing to the, I think. So 4 over 12 is the same thing as 1 over 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. So 3 cannot go in 1 and put a 0. And if I put 0 here, that's 10. 3 in 10 is 3. That's 9. Remaining 1 again. Put in that one. That's 3 in 10 again. That's 3. So 0.33 and so on. So these are 3 digits. I can also make these 3 digits. So with that, I can see that this is zero point 0.3 while this is zero point 0.4. So it's a less than symbol that's going to be there. Okay, you can see you get that. Then the next one, which is this is minus 2 over 3, then minus, minus 0.8. So minus 2 over 3, this is minus 0 point. How many 3 in 20? That is 6. And it's, so that is 667. So once this is 67 and this is 0.8, then which symbol do you think should go in between? And they are both minus anyway. So which symbol should go in between?
Less than.
You
Or
think it should be less than or greater than?
greater than.
So you can see you made a mistake in that one. So you got the first one. You missed the second one. Okay.
Okay.
Then number 7. Number 8. 4 over 6. 4 over 6 is the same as 2 over 3, which is the same as 0.667. Okay.
Okay.
And that's equal to. So I can't even see your sign here, but though it's you want to put equal to, right?
It's equal to. Yes.
Next time when you're doing something like that, you maybe you rewrite the question neatly. Then 4 over 10 is the same as 2 over 5. That's 0.4 because 5 and 2 cannot go. 5 and 20 is 4. 0.4 is less than 0.5. So this other one is minus 4 over 8, which is minus 1 over 2, which is minus 0.5. So should it be less than or greater than?
Mm, Less than.
Should it be less than or greater than?
Less than.
No, this is minus 0.5 and the other is minus 0.6.
Less than.
Greater than, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Then the next one, we have 2 over 8, which is the same as 1 over 4. Then 4 in that's 0, 4 in 10, and This is so 0.25 is less than 0.3. So then minus 7 over 12. So 12 can go is minus. Then in 70, I mean 12 is 5, which is 60. It will remain 10, right?
Yes.
In 100, how many 12? That's 8. And you can see, okay, this is already minus 0.58, and it's obviously bigger than minus 0.68, okay?
Okay.
Even if it's remaining anything, but still the same. Then the next one is 1 over 3. 1 over 3 is zero point 0.3, and that's 0.333. So that's less than. Then the next one, 1 over 4 is 0.25. This is equal to. Then 1 over 8, which is minus 0. So that is the same 0.125, because if we say 1 over 8 negative, that will be negative. Then 8 here, that's 0, 8 and 10, 1, 8 and 20, 2, 8 and 40, 5. So they're equal because they're both negatives. This 1 over 2 is zero point 0.5, which is less than zero point 0.3. You put greater than. Why? Let me ask you to explain why.
Wh-
In this number 16, why? Capital Y. Why?
What's 0.5?
0.5. So, okay, it's bigger. I thought sorry. That means you're the one that should ask me capital Y. Okay. Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah. That means you're correct. So this is minus 2 over 3. Minus 2 over 3. That is minus 0.667. You know, or 67 or 0.7. So this one is 69. That one is 67. But because they are negative, so that one is greater than this, not less than. So the
Okay.
ones that not that you don't know, I know that you are aware that smaller number with negatives are bigger than greater numbers with negatives. Okay, but you didn't, remember to put your mind on that. So next time. So minus 5 over 6. Minus 5 over 6, that's minus 0 point. How many 6 and 50? That's 8. Remainder 2. How many 6 and 20? That's 3. Remainder 2 again. 3, 3, 3, 3, or something. So what do we have here? 0.833. So they are equal. Okay.
Okay.
Then this minus 2 over. So this is also equal because it's 2 over 3. And this is 1 over 4, which is 0.25, and it's less than zero point 0.3. So the only ones you miss are those negatives that are different values. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 out of 14. Is it 14? Okay, this one. That's 11.
Rubbish bin is
Okay, take note of your corrections. Then we'll move into area of shapes, areas of shapes. Problems on area of a rectangle. The first one says the area of a rectangle of length 78 millimeters and breadth 2.6. So here length is 78 mm, but breadth is 2.6 cm. So you can decide to leave your answer in mm square or cm square. But if you're going to use squared, the two units must go to mm. So this is already 78 but the other one needs to go to Okay,
okay.
then this is going to be 2.6 times 10 in millimeters, and that'll be 26 mm. So you can now apply your formula for area of a rectangle, which is length times breadth, 78 times 26 squared. That's millimeters squared. Um, 78, 26, 6 times 8 is what? 48. 6 times 7 is what? 42 plus 4 is
So
46. 2 times 8, 16.
16.
Okay, 1, 2 times 7, 14. That's 15.
14.
So we have 8 and 2, 2. That's 9, that's 10, that's 2. Right?
Yes.
That should be 2028. 78 times 26 is 2028. So the answer to this is going to be 2028 m squared. And to the second one, they are both in the same unit, so there is no need taking any unit, comparing any unit. So two, we have length equal to 12 cm and breadth equals to 9 cm. Then area is length times breadth cm squared. That will be 12 cm times 9. What's 12 times 9?
108.
108 cm squared. And the third one, number 3, it says the area of a rectangle is this. We'll be given the area, which is length times breadth, is now
Yes.
48 cm squared. So the breadth is 6 cm. The length is what we're looking for. So that means um, length times 6 cm equal to 48 cm squared. So divide both sides by 6 cm. 6 cm. Are you with me?
Yes.
So this cancel this down. We have length equal to cm cancel the square. 48 over 6 is what? That's 8.
That's
So put down the questions and the solutions. Then I'll give you something to try. Question says find the area of a rectangle of length 43 meters and breadth 13. So you know that the area of rectangle is length times breadth, which means 43 meters times 13 meters. And 4, 3, and 13. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. Then 3 and 4. 9, this is 5. 559. That's correct. And the second one says the area is 60 and the breadth is this. You find the length. So length will be area over breadth because area is length times breadth. And that will be 60 divided by 24. 12 and 60 is 5. 12 and this is 2. And this is going to be 2.5, which is 2.5 cm. Is that clear?
Yes.
So what did you get? Did you get 2.5?
Mm,
Okay. So the third one, the area is what we're looking for. So area is length and breadth. And the length is in, this is 0.48 meters. Oh, this mm is not there, okay? Exactly.
It's meters. Oh,
0.4. You can see 0.48 m. You now see another m. You should know that that is not part of it. So this is 0.48 meters times 20 centimeters. And because the units are not the same, so you have to take them to both centimeters or both meters. So this is going to be 48 centimeters times 20 centimeters. So what is 48 times 2? That's 96. So either you say 960, 960 cm squared, or you will just have to multiply 0.48 and 0.2. Okay,
okay.
and 0.48 by 0.2 is 0.096. 0.096 in meters squared. So for this one, I'll give you half mark. Take note of your correction, then you take homework. This number one, this is what I expect to see when you submit next. That's number one, you make your rulings. Are you following this, Israel?
Yeah.
Okay. So make your ruling. That's 733 divided by 4. You firstly say 4 in 7 is how many? Israel, tell me.
1.
1. You write it. Then 1 times 4 is what?
4.
1 times 4 is what?
4.
What did you say?
4.
4.
4.
Then you subtract 7 minus 4. That's 3. Then what's the next
Okay.
digit you are bringing down?
3.
4 in 33 is how many?
Uh, 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 8.
8. 8 times 4 is what?
Uh, 9 times 4. That's 32, 32. Yeah, 32.
32. Then you subtract. What do you have left?
1.
Then you bring down the last digit, which is what?
3.
How many 4 in 13?
Uh, 3.
3, which is 3 times 4, 12. Then you have remainder 1. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2. 799 divided by 2. How many 2 is in 7? That's 3. 3 times 2, that's 6. 7 minus 6, that's 1. Then you drop down what?
Uh,
9. How many 2 in 19? It's 9. 9 times 2. 18, you subtract, you have 1. Then you bring down what? 2 in
Should
19,
bring down
that
nine.
is another 9.
Should bring
9 times 2, that's 18. Then you subtract, you have remainder 1. So you can see this is different from what you submitted. Okay?
yeah.
Then number 3, and it doesn't take you the whole years to do. So even if I give you 10 minutes for 10 questions, it's still better. So 7 divided by 8. 8 can divide 7, so you go to 77, okay?
Yeah.
How many 8 in 77? That's 9. 8 times 9 is 72. So when you subtract, what do you have? 5.
Uh,
Then you bring down the last digit, which is what? Yes. So how many? That's
seven.
57.
Seven.
So how many 8 in 57?
Yeah.
That's
Eight,
7. 7 times
six.
8 is 56. So you have
Okay.
to subtract 56. Then you have 1 as your remainder. Number 4, we have 657 divided by 2. 2 in 6 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. You subtract that 0. Then you bring down the next digit 5. 2 in 5 is 2. 2 times 2, that's 4. You subtract, you have 1. Then you bring down the next digit 7. 2 in 17 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Then you subtract, you have 1 remaining. Put down this step for question 1 to 4 and try the remaining questions in the next 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
So it must be neatly written like this, even the one you want to try.